I've never used that algorithm, and I always felt the algorithm was silly because no one's going to tell me how to price my product. Like, I better know how to price my product. I'm the entrepreneur. I'm the owner. The buck stops with me because nothing replaces being close to your asset and nothing replaces local market knowledge. I better know what the demand is for my product, and I better know what the market will bear. I better be running my own rent comps all the time. I better know what my competition's doing and what their product looks like and what they're offering as amenities and free rent and concessions and all that stuff. Like, if I don't know that, I'm not doing my job. So I never understood why small, medium, or even medium large size property owners would even consider using an algorithm, because you just know more than the algorithm could ever know. Where's the algorithm pulling its data from? Like, there's a question. And I know that the big companies have inputs and they can feed the inputs into the algorithm, but I would be pleased to compete with someone that's using an algorithm because I'll outprice them every time. I'm just going to know more than what they know because it's my local area and I have my feet on the ground and I know what's happening. Like, short of being a national player or an international player with scores and scores of thousands of units or 100,000 plus units, I don't get the algorithm. Dumb. Bad idea.